In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a hacked Facebook account. We'll do this in a web browser because it's more reliable and gives you all the recovery options you'll need. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Facebook account hacked and press enter. You'll see ads at the top. Scroll past those and look for results from Facebook that mention hacked and fake accounts. This helps you avoid phishing sites. Before you click, double check the address shows facebook.com and that your browser shows a secure connection. Open the official help article that explains what to do if your account was hacked. From there, click the link that takes you to facebook.com/hacked. This is Facebook's official recovery page, and it's the safest place to begin. On the recovery page, you'll see several options describing different issues. Choose the option that says, "Someone else got into my account without my permission," then select Continue. This tells Facebook you believe your account has been compromised and starts the guided process. Next, click Get Started. Facebook will scan your account's recent activity to look for anything unusual. This automated check saves time and ensures you don't miss subtle changes. You'll be shown a review of suspicious activity, including recent posts and comments, password changes, updates to your email address or phone number, and any new accounts or pages you followed. If you see anything you don't recognize, select Continue to Review and flag those items. Take a moment here. Accuracy matters, so you can roll back only the changes you didn't make. You'll now create a new password. Choose a strong, unique password you haven't used anywhere else. A long passphrase that's easy to remember but hard to guess works well. You may be asked for your old password if you still have it. Confirm the new password and continue. Next, review any photos, posts, or settings that might have been altered. Approve the items that are yours and undo anything that isn't. Complete any verification steps Facebook requests. These help prove you're the rightful owner and may include confirming recent actions or verifying your contact information. To finish securing your account, Facebook may send a verification code to your email or phone. You may also be prompted to enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the process. That's it. Your account should now be recovered and secured with unauthorized access removed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tutorials.